Infinity War.
I've never been more excited for a movie in my entire life.
Fetty, where did you go?
Oh, we need a thumbnail.
Now it's battle worn.
Fetty, no.
That looks way better.
All right, Fetty, let's do this.
It's like the world's largest Frisbee.
I know. It's Fetty's dream. No!
At least we're gonna get a nice paint job around the warehouse.
Ugh. He's like a dog on the carpet.
See, if I were Captain America, this is what I would do all day.
Not every day you could be Captain America.
Throw it! Oh! Wow.
Oh, my camera!
I'm Captain America, I can have cars.
Okay, I got this. Team aboard versus Captain America.
Uh-oh.
Oh dear. I'm Captain America!
We need to charge the board and try this again. Now let's put some trucks on this. Like that? Okay, you ready? Hector, thank you. You guys can follow him on Instagram. His link will be right here in the description below. Hector has made us some incredible things, and he beat Lance in a game of skate. He learned how to skateboard using Skateboarding Made Simple and Braille University, and then he came to the Braille house and beat Lance live stream.
After a year.
A year of progress, progression, and skate support. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. I found a blue one. Why? Because it's Captain America Shield. That's why.
Because you're feeling blue? Wow.
Oh, you want me to use those?
Yeah.
But does the purple really go well with the,
Yeah, because
Yeah, that's the color of Thanos.
Oh, yeah,
there you go.
There we go.
Nice, Aaron. So technically you're Thanos.
Okay, this is Captain America Shield. Skate everything. If Fetty no-slides this, what will we give him?
An Infinity Gauntlet.
We'll get him the Infinity Gauntlet, which Gabe and I have been trying to buy for months, and they all sold out, and we cried ourselves to sleep every night. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool?
Wow.
Finally, we actually did something cool.
If we called this video Skating a Vibranium Captain America Shield, it'd probably get a lot of views, I'm not even gonna lie. A lot of people don't even know that vibranium isn't a real thing. What do you think? Think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Whoa, dude, it looks so sick! That's awesome.
It's kind of scary because you don't know which direction it's gonna roll in. Thanos versus Fetty Potter. I literally looked over at Daniel and I thought he was a cardboard cutout. What did you say to me, Daniel?
Oh my. Oh.
All right, Fetty, let's go.
Drop in on it.
You ready, Fetty?
Count.
Whoa!
First try. Taking mall grabbing to the next level.
Hit the sign, the no skateboarding sign. He is actually Captain America?
He is actually Captain America.
It's okay.
Fetty, don't hit the banner. I can aim, he says. Wow, that vibranium sure is tough. Oh, Fetty! You gotta paint the wall. I mean, I guess technically the no skateboarding sign is like the evil villain of the Braille house. Wow! First try! Now you and Carlos take it down to 5.
Whoa!
Well, I think it was fast.
Let's get the bungee.
Oh yes, bungee him on the Captain America Shield. Oh. Wow! He's a super soldier.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go.
He fits so perfectly in there.
My little teacup.
If we went to Tahoe, we could sled with that.
That's true.
Oh!
First freaking try, are you kidding me?
Whoa!
Right the second I get my slow-mo out, he already has landed it.
What? What?
That makes no sense.
Wow! Captain America's shield physics are starting to make sense. That was a great throw.
Thank you.
And a great 180.
I don't know how that happened.
Everything in me wants Fetty to throw it as hard as he can at the drywall and just watch it go.
I know, me too. I really thought that through.
I mean,
Oh wait,
can
where's
always
that Timo board? Let's pull.
Oh! That worked out perfectly though. Gotta go a little faster.
Hang on, I got it. Oh,
Oh.
sorry. Clean roll away.
Oh no! Are you alright?
Yeah.
That board is too fast.
Too fast.
Literally, that's the fastest longboard we've ever had.
I'm gonna spin around and he's just gonna whip.
This is not a good idea.
You want a helmet?
Nope.
Oh my god! That was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
I hope you can see his face. He's like this.
Oh, that was so fun.
Dude, did you feel like G-force?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh god. Get it.
Aaron! I'm sorry! You can't do that! Thank you. I just saw a bungee flying at me.
I looked and I just see you.
Dude, this is the coolest board ever.
Best thing we've ever done.
How did that work?
I don't know. It was awesome though.
We're filming some fun videos for you today.
Yeah, they're very fun today. We should start all the way down there.
Yeah, let's go.
In theory, this one should be at least 20 miles per hour.
25 miles an hour actually.
There's a fence there.
I was hauling and I couldn't even keep up.
Oh. What an adrenaline rush.
You couldn't even turn, huh?
No. Oh, it's going too fast.
I was literally pushing as fast as I could and I couldn't keep up.
I use the shield as protection. I try to hide in the shield.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
No road rush?
We're good.
Let's see. Dude, this shield is like built to last.
You weren't freaking out when you're going like 25 miles per hour into a fence?
That's how fast we're going? Holy moly. I don't know. I thought it was pretty fun.
Let's go into the Braille house and let's launch you up the ramp.
Oh, jeez. All right.
Landed it!
First strike! That was incredible. All right, guys. Well, thanks a lot for watching that video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you guys are... No! 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 If you guys are half as excited as we are to watch this movie, it's very exciting. So, there you go. Watch just this alien. All right, guys. Well, before we were so rudely interrupted, thank you, 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 and you back there on the couch.
And Hector.
Thank you. And Hector, we'll leave Hector's Instagram in the description below. Give him a follow and say thank you for making the Braille House, Gabe, Fetty, and me, all of this really cool stuff. Check out all the other videos we have in this playlist right here and learn to skateboard yourself. We have everything you need in the Braille shop at brailleskateboarding.com. We have skateboards, we have videos to teach you how to do it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Learn to skate. I'll see you in the next video.
Sled on.
Learn to skate. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.